Hi guys, let's today study the thermodynamic. What is the thermodynamic? Basically, thermodynamic is the branch of a physical chemistry which deal with the energy of a different form which convert from one form to another form. So, what are the scientific way? The science of energy that concern with the ways in which energy is stored within a body. The fundamental law is the conservation of energy principle. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, but can only be transformed from one form to another form. The basic and the fundamental law of thermodynamics is that energy cannot be converted. Energy cannot be converted from, cannot be created or destroyed, but it can be converted from one form to another form completely. To understand the thermodynamic, we need to know the certain important term which include in thermodynamic study. So what is the system? System is the main component which are included in thermodynamics. System is a quantity or it a matter where we place for the study. The system is surrounded by a boundary that is called boundary. After the boundary, we have a lot of space that is called surrounding. Like example, if we take a test tube, inside the test tube is system, but the test tube is called boundary, and the place which is remain outside the test tube, like the whole laboratory, is called surrounding. So there are how many type of a system? There are mainly three type of a system. Like isolated system. Isolated system is a system from which neither mass or nor energy can cross the selected boundary. Means if we put something in the system's energy cannot be crossed, or its mass will not be get lost into the surrounding. Now closed system is a system in which we can study, but the energy can transfer from system to the surrounding. Example, a tightly capped cup of a coffee. And the third system is open system, in which we can study, but its matter and energy both can transfer. What is the properties of a system? Properties of a system is a measurable characteristic of a system that is in equilibrium. The property may be intensive or extensive. Like extensive property are those which we can measure by seeing, like mass, volume, energy, enthalpy. And the properties which do not change after adding amount of a mass, like temperature will not change, pressure will not change, density will not change. These are the intensive property. Intensive properties example are pressure, temperature, density. Extensive properties example are volume, energy, enthalpy, mass. State, equilibrium and process. What is the state in thermodynamics? A set of properties that describe the condition of a system, like we have studied extensive and intensive properties. These properties at a specific point called state. After state, equilibrium. What is equilibrium? Thermodynamic equilibrium, system that maintain thermal, mechanical, phase and chemicals equilibrium. Process, there are lot of process according to their type. There are 4 process according to their state, like isobaric, isothermal, isochoric and isotropic. Let's discuss one each at a time. The prefix iso is often used to designate a process of for which particular property remain constant. Like in isobaric process, the pressure P remain constant throughout the experiment. You can see from the graph that the pressure P at y-axis is always remain constant, but the volume on x-axis varies with the time interval. Isochoric process during which the specific volume V remain constant. There are different type of process, like we say, on the basis of, now this is the basis of path, like cyclic process. When a system in a given initial state goes through various process and finally return to its initial state, the system has undergone a cyclic process or a cycle. Like if the initial process and the final, like initial reaction and the final chemical reaction is same, then the process is called cyclic process. A reversible process, a process in which a compound converted into product, but the product can also be converted into the same compound. This is a reversible process. Irreversible means a reactant is completely converted into product. After a certain time, it cannot be reversed. So let's study some important law of thermodynamics. Zeroth law. This is the law given by scientists after main first law, second law and third law, but the zeroth law is a very important law. So this is named as the before first law, like zeroth law. What is zeroth law? If two bodies are in a thermal equilibrium with a third body, they are also in thermal equilibrium with each other. Like if A and B are in thermal equilibrium and A and C are also in thermal equilibrium, then we can say that B and C are also in thermal equilibrium. What is the first law of thermodynamics? There is no particular definition of a first law of thermodynamics, but there are a lot of statements. I have written 2 to 3 main important statements. Let's see. For any physical or chemical change, the total amount of energy in the universe remain constant. Like if a reaction is happening, the energy of a reactant and the product may be different, but the energy in the universe remain constant. Energy may change from, or it may be transported from one region to another region, but it cannot be created or destroyed. What is the second law of thermodynamics? The universe always tends towards increasing disorder. In all natural process, the entropy of the universe increases. Means if a reaction is occurring spontaneously, the entropy will increase. This is the second law of thermodynamics. What are the thermodynamic quantity? Like there are mainly 2 to 3 quantities, like entropy, enthalpy, Gibbs energy. So what is Gibbs energy? Gibbs energy is amount of energy capable of doing work during a reaction at a constant temperature and pressure. Like if a reaction is converted into product, so the product energy will be less and the reactant energy will be high. So the amount of energy released is free energy. And this free energy means if the change in energy is negative, the reaction is said to be exergonic reaction. Means the reaction process is very high. In endergonic reaction, the system gains free energy and delta Z is positive. Thermodynamic quantities other enthalpy. What is enthalpy? Enthalpy is the heat content of the reacting system. It reflects number and kind of a chemical bond in a reactant and product. When a chemical reaction releases heat, it is said to be exothermic reaction. Like we say free Gibbs energy. Like that, this is also in this heat is converted from reactant to product. Thank you.